Stop buying expensive skincare. Are you staring at a cabinet full of products that cost a fortune and did absolutely nothing? We've all been there, a graveyard of bottles that didn't work. But what if I told you that you could make something insane for your skin with ingredients you have in your kitchen right now? Tonight, we're not talking about skipping chemicals. Everything is a chemical, even water, literally. We are focusing on simple ingredients you can actually recognize. My own skin was a total disaster with hormonal acne and insane dry patches. I felt like I'd tried everything, and it wasn't until I started doing crazy at-home treatments like these that I saw a massive difference. Now, let's be 100% clear. These masks are an insane way to give your skin a boost, not a replacement for a dermatologist or actual medicine for stuff like severe acne. Think of this as the ultimate skin pampering challenge. We'll be using ingredients like honey, which is a crazy good hydrator, oatmeal that soothes everything, and turmeric, which has insane antioxidant properties that give your skin a temporary glow. So, grab a bowl. This is going to be wild. Section 1. The Green Goddess Enzyme Mask. First up is the Green Goddess. This one is insane for skin that's feeling dead and needs a massive dose of hydration to bring it back to life. The secret is the fruit enzymes and insane, nourishing fats. For this, you'll need half a ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of an oil like olive or jojoba, 2 tablespoons of fresh mashed papaya or pineapple, and 1 teaspoon of matcha or moringa powder. Making it is so easy. In a bowl, mash the avocado until it's super smooth. Avocado is packed with fatty acids and vitamins that are insane for hydrating your skin. Then, stir in your oil for another layer of moisture. Next, the crazy part, add your fresh papaya or pineapple. These fruits have natural enzymes that literally eat your dead skin cells without any harsh scrubbing. It's wild. Finally, mix in your matcha or moringa powder for a massive antioxidant punch. Mix it all until you have a green paste. Slap a thick layer on your clean face, but don't get it in your eyes. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You might feel a little tingle from the enzymes. That means it's working. But if it feels like it's burning, wash it off immediately. Rinse with warm water, and your skin should feel way softer and look 10 times brighter. I'm not even kidding. Section 2. The Honey Oatmeal Soothing Mask. Next is the Honey and Oatmeal Soothing Mask. This is what I use when my skin is freaking out, red, or just throwing a tantrum. It's basically a hug in a bowl. You'll need 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Manuka is next level if you have it, half a tablespoon of jojoba oil, and a little warm water or chamomile tea to get it perfect. Start with the ground oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal is legendary for calming down redness and irritation. Then, add the raw honey. Honey is a hydration magnet, drawing moisture to the skin, and Manuka honey has properties that can help calm down your face. Next, pour in the jojoba oil. Jojoba is brilliant because it's almost identical to your skin's own oil, so it moisturizes without being heavy. Slowly add warm water or tea, mixing until you have a thick paste you can spread. Smear this on your face and let it sit for 20 minutes. It feels ridiculously gentle. To take it off, use warm water and move in circles for some bonus exfoliation. This mask is the ultimate fix for angry skin. Section 3. The Turmeric and Coconut Anti-Aging Mask. Our third mask is a crazy moisturizing mix of turmeric and coconut. This recipe is super simple but gives tired, dry skin an insane glow and helps soften it up. For this mask, you just need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a tiny pinch, like a 1/4 teaspoon, of turmeric powder. Now, a huge warning. Coconut oil can completely destroy some people's skin by clogging pores and making acne worse. If your skin is oily or you get breakouts, you might want to use a different oil or just skip this one completely. Don't say I didn't warn you. If coconut oil works for you, just mix it with a tiny pinch of turmeric. Coconut oil is an incredible emollient that deeply moisturizes, which can help make fine lines look softer for a while. Turmeric gets its color from curcumin, a compound with antioxidant properties that will make your skin look incredibly radiant. Mix them well. And I am serious, go easy on the turmeric. A tiny bit is all you need, and too much can literally stain your skin yellow. Apply a thin layer to your face and neck and leave it for 15 minutes. Because it's oil, you'll want to wipe it off with a soft, damp cloth before you rinse. All right, pause. We are 3 masks in, and I have to ask, what is the craziest natural ingredient you've ever put on your face? Is it honey, aloe, or something totally insane? Drop it in the comments right now. I'm reading every single comment to find new ideas for the next challenge. Section 4. The Aloe Vera and Green Tea Refreshing Mask. Let's go to mask number 4, the Aloe Vera and Green Tea Refreshing Mask. This is a super cooling and hydrating mask that gives your skin a temporary tightening feel, making it perfect before you go out and want to look 100% revitalized. All you need is 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of cooled, super strong green tea. This is probably the easiest challenge of them all. Just mix the aloe vera gel and the cooled green tea in a bowl. Aloe vera is a legit skincare hero. It's incredibly soothing and gives you a burst of hydration without being heavy. Green tea is an antioxidant bomb, filled with compounds that some studies show can make your skin look way better. The mix will be a light gel. Put it on your face and let it do its thing for 15 to 20 minutes. It will feel cool and amazing as it dries. Rinse with cool water. A rinse-off mask won't permanently firm your skin, but this is an insane trick for a fast, visible pick-me-up. Section 5. The Papaya and Honey Brightening Mask. Our 5th mask is the Papaya and Honey Brightening Mask. If your skin looks dull or you just want to blast it with radiance, you have to try this one. It's like a tropical vacation for your face. You'll need about a 1/4 cup of mashed ripe papaya and 1 tablespoon of honey. First, mash your papaya until it's a totally smooth pulp. Papaya is packed with papain, an enzyme that gives you gentle, natural exfoliation. It literally dissolves the dead skin cells that make you look dull, revealing brighter-looking skin underneath. Next, stir in the honey. As we know, honey is an amazing humectant that pulls in moisture, so while the papaya exfoliates, the honey keeps your skin hydrated. Mix the 2 ingredients until you have a sweet-smelling paste. Apply it to your clean face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. After this mask, your skin will feel unbelievably smooth and look so much more radiant. Section 6. The Neem and Avocado Cooling Mask. Mask number 6 is the Neem and Avocado Cooling Mask. This is for skin that's feeling red, stressed, or just freaking out and needs to be seriously calmed down. For this recipe, you'll need 1 teaspoon of neem powder, 1/4 of a ripe avocado, and about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or aloe vera juice. In your bowl, mash the avocado to make a creamy, moisturizing base. Then, add the neem powder. Neem is a legendary herb used for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. But another warning. Like any powerful plant, neem can cause irritation or allergic reactions in some people, so you have to patch test this mask before you put it all over your face. Finally, mix in your plain yogurt or aloe. Yogurt has lactic acid for super gentle exfoliation, while aloe is incredibly soothing. This will make a creamy, cooling paste. Spread it over your face, chill for 15 minutes, and let the ingredients go to work. It feels amazing on irritated skin. Rinse gently with cool water. Section 7. The Oatmeal, Honey and Yogurt All-Rounder Mask. Finally, our 7th mask is the ultimate all-rounder, the Oatmeal, Honey, and Yogurt Mask. This is the one you make when you have no idea what your skin needs, but you know it needs some love. You'll need 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Combine all 3 ingredients in a bowl and mix them into a smooth paste. You have the oatmeal to soothe, the honey to hydrate, and the plain yogurt. Yogurt has lactic acid, a mild AHA that gently exfoliates, brightens your complexion, and improves your skin's texture over time. It's the ultimate triple threat. Apply this legendary mask to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. It's powerful enough to leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated, but gentle enough for almost anyone. Rinse with warm water. This is the perfect, most reliable mask to have for just making your skin better. Conclusion. And that's it. 7 insane face masks you can make in your own kitchen for basically $0. We hydrated, soothed, and brightened our skin using ingredients you could literally eat. Giving your skin some love doesn't always require a dozen expensive products. But remember the #1 rule. Always do a patch test on your jawline before trying any new mask to make sure you don't have a crazy reaction, especially with ingredients like fruit enzymes or neem. And of course, this is not a substitute for daily sun protection. Don't forget sunscreen. Thank you so much for watching this crazy experiment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Share this with a friend who loves an insane DIY project. Until next time, happy mixing care enthusiasts interested in specific skin concerns like acne, dryness, anti-aging,